Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Saylor with Van Every Family Chiropractic Center, and today we're going to adjust Anthony. Anthony is 10 days old. He's already had his first visit last week, so he got adjusted he was 4 days old, I think, when he first got adjusted. I just wanted to show you how babies get adjusted, and so there's a lot of fear that what is the chiropractor going to do to my child, and there's a little bit of scary things about the unknown. So adjustment-wise, we use this handheld tool. This is called an arthrostem. It gently taps the bones into the right position. It also works on muscles and ligaments and a lot of different things. So it actually adjusts under the pain threshold and at a healing rate. So it's super, super gentle and it's super specific. So it works beautifully for basically babies, kids, people of all ages. So we use it for everybody. And the technique we do is called KST, or Corn Specific Technique. So that's for the analysis that we use with babies and adults, and then we use a tool to adjust. So because he's been adjusted, he's this beautiful, not because he adjusted, he was beautiful from the get-go, but he's super calm, and I know he's been an amazing little baby. So we're just gonna check a few things. Right, Anthony? You're gonna stay awake for me? So the biggest thing that we look for on the visits are balance. We want both sides to be equal. We want free moving joints. We want to make sure that the hips are aligned. We want to make sure everything's going on where you should. Hi, sweet. Oh, my hands are cold. I'm sorry, Anthony. So Anthony's got a little restriction in his neck still. Yeah, just a little bit. All right. Yeah, hi, sweet thing. Hi, sweets. So as you can see, it's just super gentle, very, very specific. So I'm working on his occiput right now on his C1. Oh, sweet thing. Yeah. And this is basically how babies get adjusted. So, oh, you lose it. You're passing. You're passing. So if you have any questions, call our office and we'll be happy to help. So have a great day.